Welcome to MAI Academy. My name is Samuel Omoreji, and I will be your digital instructor for this course, Website Management and Digital Project Development. Let me state out what to expect from this course. Website Management and Digital Project Development is a comprehensive professional training program designed to equip you with the technical, strategic, and managerial skills required to build, manage, and scale modern websites and digital systems. In today's digital-first economy, every business, organization, and brand depends heavily on their online presence, and this course prepares you to take full responsibility for that ecosystem. This course goes beyond basic website creation. It introduces you to the full life cycle of digital projects, from planning and design to development, deployment, optimization, and long-term management. You will understand how websites function as business tools, how digital systems are structured, and how to ensure performance, security, and scalability across different platforms. Participants will be exposed to real-world workflows used in agencies, tech startups, and corporate environments. This includes project planning, requirement gathering, user experience design, content structuring, web development fundamentals, content management systems, CMS, hosting, domain configuration, and website maintenance. A key focus of the course is digital project development, which involves managing web-based projects from concept to completion. This includes working with teams such as developers, designers, content creators, and stakeholders. You will also gain knowledge of project timelines, task delegation, agile methods, and digital collaboration tools used in modern tech environments. Additionally, the course introduces performance optimization techniques, search engine visibility strategies, website analytics, and troubleshooting methods to ensure websites remain efficient and effective after launch. You will also explore security practices that protect websites from vulnerabilities and cyber threats. By the end of the training, participants will not only understand how to build and manage websites, but also how to oversee entire digital ecosystems that support business growth, customer engagement, and online operations. This makes the course suitable for aspiring web managers, digital project coordinators, entrepreneurs, IT personnel, and freelancers seeking to expand their digital skill set. Website management and digital project development is an essential course in a world where digital presence determines business survival and growth. Almost every organization today relies on websites as their primary communication, marketing, and service delivery platform. This makes the ability to manage and develop digital projects a highly valuable skill. One major importance of this course is that it empowers individuals and businesses to maintain full control over their online identity. Instead of depending entirely on external developers or agencies, you will be able to manage updates, fix issues, and improve websites independently. This reduces operational costs and improves response time in handling digital challenges. Another key importance is career advancement. The demand for web managers, digital project coordinators, and technical administrators continues to grow globally. Organizations are actively seeking professionals who can handle both technical and managerial aspects of digital systems. This course positions you for roles in tech companies, corporate organizations, startups, and freelance markets. The course is also important for business growth and competitiveness. A well-managed website improves customer trust, enhances brand reputation, and increases sales opportunities. Businesses with poorly managed websites often lose customers due to slow performance, outdated content, or broken functionality. This course teaches how to avoid such issues and maintain high-performing digital platforms. Furthermore, digital project development skills are crucial for teamwork and innovation. Modern digital projects require collaboration between designers, developers, marketers, and stakeholders. This course teaches how to coordinate these roles effectively, ensuring smooth execution of projects from start to finish. Security and reliability are also major reasons this course is important. Many websites suffer from hacking attempts, data loss, and technical failures due to poor management. You will understand how to protect websites, perform backups, and implement safe development practices that ensure long-term stability. Lastly, this course is important because it builds future-ready skills. As technology continues to evolve, businesses will rely even more on digital platforms. Those who understand website management and digital project development will always remain relevant in the job market and entrepreneurial space. Throughout this course, you will acquire a wide range of technical, strategic, and managerial skills that are essential for handling modern websites and digital projects effectively. You will learn how websites are structured and how different components such as front-end design, back-end systems, databases, and hosting environments work together to form a complete digital platform. This foundational knowledge will help you understand how to manage and troubleshoot websites efficiently. You will also learn website planning and project structuring. This includes how to define project goals, gather requirements from clients or stakeholders, create project timelines, and organize tasks for successful execution. You will understand how digital projects move from idea stage to full implementation. Another key area of learning is content management systems, CMS, such as WordPress and other modern platforms. You will learn how to install, configure, and manage websites using these systems, including updating content, installing plugins, and customizing themes to meet business needs. The course will also teach you basic to intermediate web development concepts. This includes understanding HTML, CSS, and introductory JavaScript concepts, enabling you to make minor edits, fix layout issues, and communicate effectively with developers. You will gain skills in website maintenance and optimization. This involves updating website content, improving loading speed, fixing broken links, performing backups, and ensuring that websites remain functional and up to date. Another important learning outcome is digital project management. You will learn how to coordinate teams, use project management tools, track progress, manage deadlines, and ensure successful delivery of digital products. You will also learn about website security practices, including how to protect websites from malware, unauthorized access, and common cyber threats. This ensures that digital assets remain safe and reliable. Additionally, you will be trained on analytics and performance tracking. You will understand how to use data tools to monitor website traffic, user behavior, and engagement, helping businesses make informed digital decisions. Finally, you will develop problem-solving and decision-making skills in digital environments. You will learn how to identify issues, provide solutions quickly, and ensure smooth operation of websites and digital systems. By the end of this course, you will be capable of managing full digital projects confidently, maintaining professional websites, and contributing effectively to any digital team or business environment. I look forward to congratulating you upon the successful completion of this course. To maximize your learning experience, ensure that you actively participate in all individual and group activities, as well as complete the course assessments. Your commitment and dedication will contribute greatly to your success. I wish you the very best throughout this learning journey, and I look forward to celebrating your achievements at the end of the course.